Good morning, traders. Just want to jump into some quick little chart activity right now. This is Coffeeshop Crypto, and thank you for coming through to this channel. This is going to be very quick. I want to show you what's happening with Bitcoin right now. And what we are doing is we're entering into a drop zone level 1, which will carry us to drop zone level 2. You can see it on the screen, and eventually carry us to drop zone level 3. All right, I'll tell you about those in just a second, but this is really to cover some basics very quickly. You can see down at the bottom of my screen, I'm using the CSC crypto. I'm using the CS crypto HARSI, which is the Coffeeshop crypto HARSI. It is released on Tradingview, and you can go and get it. You'll be able to find a link for it in my profile here, or you can go to @Coffeeshop Crypto at Tradingview, and you'll be able to find the download link for it there and add it to your Tradingview chart. Now, I wanted to show you how powerful this is. The way I'm using it right now is on the 4-hour chart. You'll see that my RSI is yellow, and my VWAP line, yes, it is a VWAP line tied to an RSI. They are locked together so that you can actually see volume of positive price or volume of negative price. So you wouldn't get into a trade if your Fibbonacci candle opens and closes above the VWAP. You want to make sure that your Fibbonacci candle opens below the VWAP and it closes above the VWAP. At that point, you would get in on the next candle. And to show you the power of that, the very popular chandelier exit indicator is also here on my screen. I'm just going to turn it on, and you'll see that it gives you the same information. I wouldn't get in here because it opens and closes above the VWAP. This one opens below the VWAP and it closes above the VWAP. When you see that the candle closes, you know, that trading bar closes. I'm looking at a 4-hour right now. So you would enter on the next candle, and that is telling you an entire candle earlier than the chandelier exit. When the chandelier exit gives you a buy signal, it's when this candle closes. So you won't see this for an entire 4 hours. However, on my indicator, you can see at the beginning of that candle that you can get into a buy position. So it's 4 hours earlier. You would get in at this price as opposed to getting in at this price. Now, a quick little move that I would do on this candle is I would look for my low, go into a short position, a long position. I would look for my low, and simply, I would look for my Fibbonacci tool, set it on my low, and go to the top of the wick of that candle, right here, top of the wick of this candle. I'm going with the trend, so I take profit 3. Here's take profit 2, here's take profit 1. And you can see that it would have made it through, and then the next candle that's going to show up is going to end up being a bearish candle. Now, you can see that when I turn on the Mass Effect moving average. Turn this off for a minute, or just move it over so you can see what's happening. And you can see that without the chandelier exit, you can see that on the entry candle, you'll see this little pink dot appear below the candle. Okay, this is going to be your entry confirmation. So you have things that line up that tell you that there are several confirmations. You got a pink dot underneath your price. It works like a parabolic SAR. Your 50, your 100, and your 200 period moving averages, they're all lined up. They are EMAs. Your VWAP, okay, told you that you can enter after this candle. So everything is telling you to get in proper. Now, you would also use an RSI formula that tells you at the close of this candle, the RSI was 52.33. You can see it at the bottom of my screen, right? 52.33. For that, if I wanted to go that route, I would simply, again, go to my entry, set this at my low, and I would go 1 to 3.23. 1 to 3.23. And that's going to carry me to 3.23 here. So this move will end here at about $24,200 is where this move will end. So, and you can see this if you want to track it yourself. This is currently looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, August 8th at 3 a.m. All right, now you can get in and check that yourself. But what I want to tell you about this drop zone. If you look back in the history of Bitcoin, go to the daily chart. Let's go to the daily chart. You're going to see this drop zone. Let's turn this off. This drop zone is an insignificant area of price action. And you'll see that previously, price cascaded down, right? And above it, price cascaded down. And above that, price cascaded down previously. Cascaded down. But prior to that, price cascaded up. Same thing further back, price cascaded up. There was just rallies going up, and rallies going up. So I wanted to let you know that we're in position for a big rally moving up. So if you want to get to really long positions, I would get in now and really hold until 30,000. Just a quick little note for myself, 30,000 is your mark if you'd like to. Thanks everyone.